Hello. When you work with Windchill PDM Link, information is stored across different application contexts. You can think of these application contexts as large information containers. With Windchill PDM Link, you get two types of contexts: products and libraries. So, what is a product? You probably understand a product is a physical item your company manufactures and sells. Well, Windchill expands this concept of a product to include the environment where all users collaborate to develop that very product. So, what kind of context do I have here? I can see two types of contexts. The first icon represents products, and the second one libraries. Let me first select the products icon. I might not see the context I am looking for right now, since this only shows me my recently used products. So simply click on View All. From that page, select the product context you want to access. Next time you open the navigation pane, it will appear in your recent products list. Now click on plus to view all pages associated with that context. Click on folders. All information stored in a product context will be product specific. Now, what are libraries for? Libraries allow you to store information that is not product specific. It could be information relevant to a department or information used across product containers, legal documents, or standard parts, like screws, for example. Nevertheless, a library is set up in a very similar way, with slight differences we will explain in a later video. Here you will find all objects stored in that context. Again, everything but product specific. That's all for today. See you soon in the next topic and in deeper dives.